May I have your attention, please?
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. 'Cause I got me for life.
Run around, doing that terrible on my knees. Just that I call you up.
There's the Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos are like, I'm looking for your suicide.
If you ever try to let go.
Back when the lights go down and I'm all alone. All the fears come out just as the unknown.
Happy birthday, Tita Rachel! Hi, Rachel! Happy birthday! God bless you! At naway patuloy kang ingatan ni Lord, lalo na bigyan ka ng good health, and we're praying for your promotion and increase in Jesus' name. Bye-bye!
Hi, B. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you always. We love you. We love you so much. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, R! Hi, R! R, tawag ko sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka today. Sana maging happy ka kahit malayo. Sa Pilipinas, sana maging blessed ka pa at sana magkaroon ka ng maging successful ka at sana ay kung ano ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, family, love life, dito lang kami ni Tin. Thank you palagi sa'yo. Thank you, hindi mo kami iniiwan. Thank you!
Happy birthday, Rachel. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam mo na yun, hindi ko na yun i-mention. Maraming salamat sa pagiging human diary ni Bobby palagi. Dito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Alright. Rachel, bunso ng 403. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Sorry for the lights. Medyo mataas ang araw. Nasa labas ako. Para sa amin nila Ate Claudette mo at saka ni Tiffany. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy ka. At saka enjoy mo yung UAE life. Mabuhay ka.
Happy birthday, Rachel!
Happy birthday, Tita Rachel.
God bless you!
Happy birthday, Rachel! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Sana hindi ka magbago. Stay where you are.
Yes, sir.
Sana matupad ang wish mo. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Rachel.
Happy birthday! Kurang ka na! Maghanap ka ng agumon! Miss you!
Hi, Sil. Happy birthday. Sana makakuha ka na rin dyan ng jowa. Ingat ka lagi. Love you na.
Hi, te. Happy birthday. Kurang ka na. Araw mo na. Magagong ka na para makagunaman ko. Ingat dyan, Fermi. Love you. Hi, te. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Rachel. Rachel, happy birthday. Kain tayo.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Rachel.
Go.
Happy birthday.
Nagustuhan nyo lang sa tanggol, di ba?
Oo, XB. Ibalita ka na ba doon?
Sabi ng nanay ko. Wala na nakalaya. Ayun!